Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna cover 5 findings available on the chart that show us where is the bottom zone. First of all, this is not a financial advice. It's purely for educational purposes to help you and to guide you on what to do next. I'm not advising on what to do or what to buy or what to sell. All right, let's start. Let's keep this short and simple. Now, the 5 findings. 1. On the SMA's cross, every time it happens, we get around 50% correction. 1, it happened here. 2, 48 gave us a bottom zone. Here in 2015 gave us a bottom zone. That's 1. 2 is the RSI on the weekly. Now this is a weekly time frame, so it can be really boring and sideways duration we get into. Now we have here on the weekly oversell, like extremely oversold zone. Gives us on this flag when it hit a new bottom, it gives us a signal of oversold candle. Now we went to sideways, went a bit up, then we retested the bottom, and now this I want to highlight an important aspect is that look here, we hit a new bottom also. So this brought a lot of fear and a lot of pain to the market and uncertainty. Now remember, who draws these candles is the market maker. It's not the analysis, not me, not someone else. It's the market maker. It wants you to do what he exactly wants you to do. So when you get into trading, throw your emotions out of the window and just trade whatever like you can try to find in the chart, and always try to have more confirmations. Don't rely on 1 or 2 confirmations. Now what I'm gonna cover here, 5 confirmations. Some can be important, some can be just like secondary. So now here we hit a new bottom here, and then we tested the previous bottom. We fake out by a new bottom. We went into uncertainty zone, and then we went up. Look over here, same thing, 2018, 2019, a new bottom zone. This is an extremely oversell zone on the RSI we can see here. And then sideways, boring, and then we went up. On 2020, 2022, here, extremely oversell zone, as you can see in the RSI. Boring sideways, we might go a little bit up, then we retest again, or we might not. It's just, wow. I'm trying to find is where is the bottom zone, where is the accumulation zone, where is the zone we can DCA on. Now, we covered the RSI, we covered the SMAs. Now, other thing is that number of new bottoms we've been forming, usually they're around the same. Look here in 2018, 2019, 4 times, new bottom, a new bottom, and another here, a new bottom broke, and then 4th bottom. Here in 2020, 2021, 2022, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as a wave, this is like you can consider as a wave analysis. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite the same thing. So now we cover, I think 3 or 4. So here also another note, which I think we might be doing exactly like around the same thing we're doing in 2015. I don't think we're here. Many are comparing 2018-19. I think that's quite wrong. I think we might actually beat this. One of the reasons we broke the previous all-time high. Look here, we broke this flag on the new bottom, brought a lot of pain and fear. Again here 2022, we broke the previous top, which was 19,800. We went to 17K. So now this brings a lot of confusion to the traders that, you know, it might go to 10K, 5K, 4K, whatever. But I'm not trying to show you, I'm not gonna try to say it either goes up or down. I'm trying to say just the findings in the chart. Now I'm gonna go over another finding, which is the MACD. MACD did 5 times in the bear market, gives us a bottom signal for 5 times. Look over here, there's a cross soon gonna happen on the 12-day frame. This is a 12-day frame. Now the bigger the time frame, the more it can be accurate. The more is like you get less biased. Now here in 2018, 2019, what happened is that, look over here, when we hit the MACD cross here, it gives us a bullish signal. Now in 2015, which I think we might do the same thing. Look here, on when we crossed, it gives us a bit up, then sideways, then up again. We tested the previous resistance and we did the retest. Now this scenario can be perfect for the market maker to do. It will bring a lot of uncertainties for both bulls and bears. And also we broke the previous time high. Also on the 2012, the MACD happened cross here, over here. It crossed, gives us a bit of uncertainty, then we went up. Now this is the MACD, we covered the RSI. I'll go over the Ether on a similar pattern. So here Ether in 2016, and we might have quite similar scenario what's happening right now. We went up here, we went really up wave, first big up wave. We made a new top here, over here, look, in 2021, when we made a new top. This is 2016. Then we corrected over here, we went another new time high, and then we corrected to a bear market. Now here on the Ether, I thought we were not gonna break the 1000, but it broke it and brought a lot of uncertainty, and it actually couldn't close underneath it. See, so it's quite fake out. So, and then we went up. So now there's a lot of uncertainty, sideways and boring. So right here is the same thing. Also we can see in the RSI, look, where are we here? When we hit the new bottom, it was extremely oversold. Over here, over here. Now, remember, as the market is growing, it gets more boring and like less correction or even bigger duration. So here when we had 172 days, but here now we're having 350 days so far. So it's like double the duration. The logic behind it is that the market is growing, a lot of institutional money coming in, a lot of coins, you know. So the market is growing, and as it grows, it becomes more boring, similar to the stock market. And then we have Ether BTC. This is the final thing I'm gonna cover. We have Ether BTC, which shows us like the alts and crypto. So like, for example, other coins. So here we have these resistance. Every time we hit them, we correct, we hit them, we correct. And now we hit here on December 2021, which was the top of the crypto market. We corrected massively into a bear market. Now in the FIBO area, we hit here and then we were bouncing back to the August. Now this is 12-day again, bigger frame. And now we're into this pattern. If we break it up, it's really good for the crypto, for the alts or other coins. We might just stay sideways even and retest, and then we go up in 2023. So this is the current scenarios. Finally, USDTD. Here you can see these bottoms where the market top, and the market top November 2021. Also, on the other side here, on the top, we can see the market bottom zone. Market bottom zone, June when Bitcoin hit 28K, brought a lot of fear. This was the bottom zone, and then we went a bit up, all the way to 69K. Same here, and same here, and now the question is this the bottom zone? Now this adds a confirmation to what we just showed in the Bitcoin chart. So this one is it's this, 17K. So if we consider the USDTD chart, every time it breaks this trend line, the yellow, it gives a bottom zone to the market. Now again, something new can happen. You know, don't take this as financial advice, like to buy or to sell or whatever. Just it's purely educational purposes. I wish everyone good luck, and just wanted to share the findings with you all. Good luck, everyone.